Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to get a blue cut crease kind of like look. So if you want to get this look, stay tuned and continue to watch. So first I'm going to use the Perception palette by Shaylaxcolourpop. So the first color I'm going to be using is the color Culture. It's like a light brown color. I'm going to take that color in the crease and I'm going to take it back and forth like windshield wiping motion. Next, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to be taking like this aqua light blue or light baby blue kind of color. And I'm going to be throwing that on top of the brown and also using it as another transitional color. Then from the same palette, I'm going to take a teal color and I'm going to put it also in my crease. I'm just slowly building up a color to kind of lightly smoke it out just a little bit. Then next, in the same palette, I'm going to take like an ocean colored kind of blue. And then I'm going to kind of add it more so to the outer corner and then slowly kind of bringing it in. I don't want to blend that color in too much because I don't want it to look all like one color. Then using a flat brush and some concealer, you can use any kind of concealer. As long as it's kind of light, I'm going to take that and carve out my lid space. I'm going to kind of do it a little bit over my lid space. And then I'm going to kind of blend it and fill it all in. Honestly though, when I did this look, I didn't know where I was going with it. I just kind of picked up the palettes. And then I was just like, okay, let me just do some kind of color on my eyes. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm cutting it into like a round kind of like shape. Cut creases are kind of hard for me only because, well, on myself they're kind of hard because I have two different eye shapes. I don't know if that's like normal or not, but I have two different eye shapes, so I got to try and make them the same. I'm going to take like a navy blue and I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to pack it on the inner corners and only on the outer corners. So kind of like as if I'm doing a halo eye. You don't have to use the same colors that I'm using or the same exact blues. All you need to do is go from light to dark basically to like build the blue color up to intensify it. So that way you'll have like different kind of levels to the colors. Then I'm going to take this shimmery like aqua kind of bluish kind of color. I'm going to keep it all the way 100 with y'all. I do not know the name of these colors. I barely even know the color of these kind of blues. I'm just trying to give you the best description that I can so you can achieve this eye look. I'm just taking it and kind of packing it on top in the middle of my lid. And then I'm going to go back in with a crease brush. And I'm going to take a little bit of that last dark blue color because it got lost just a little bit. And I'm going to kind of put it at the ends. And then now I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and kind of clean the outer edges of it just to make it look a little bit better. Some people use tape. I'm just not that neat of a person, so I just use the makeup wipe to clean it up. And then next, I'm going to finish the rest of my face. I'm going to kind of go really fast on this part because I feel like you guys see me do this a lot of times already if you watch my videos. But I'm going to use the Tatcha primer and I'm just rubbing it all over my face to prime my skin. Then I'm going to take the Nars new longwear foundation. Ooh, this is my jam right here, but I'm just taking it and I'm just patting it on my skin because I'm trying to warm it up, but I'm blending it out at the same time. Then I'm going to take a brush to kind of further like blend it so it don't be looking all crazy. Then I'm going to take the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. And I'm going to put that underneath my eye in a V shape. nose, my forehead, all that good stuff. And this part is hella extra, but I'm gonna take another concealer by Kevyn Aucoin. I think it might be number 4. And then I'm gonna take that and put it in the center of my face. Only in the center. And then I'm gonna take a sponge and start blending. And I'm sorry I didn't get to catch the whole part of me blending because my camera cut off. And then I'm gonna take the NYX Total Control foundation in number 22, and I'm just using that to kind of contour my face. Then I'm gonna grab a flat rounded brush and I'm gonna start blending out the contour. I don't know why, but I do not like using a sponge to blend out my contour. I just feel like it doesn't like blend it like how I want it to be. I don't know, it's probably me, but I just like using a brush. Taking the Sacha Buttercup powder, I'm gonna use that to set underneath my eyes and well, pretty much I'm gonna use it around my face just to like set my makeup. Lock it in, ensure that it doesn't move and that it's really, really smooth. Then taking my MAC mineralized powder, I'm gonna take that and smooth all that powder off my face so I don't look like a straight ghost. And then this is gonna be used as my finishing powder. Then I'm gonna take my Cover FX drops and then I'm gonna put them on the high part of my cheekbones and go ahead and blend it out. I blend it out with my fingers first and then I take a brush a beauty blender sponge to kind of blend it out. Almost everywhere I put the concealer at is where I'm gonna put the Cover FX drops at. Then I'm gonna be hella extra and take MAC's Gold Deposit and I'm gonna put that everywhere I put the Cover FX drops at, just to give it a little extra glow. Using the same brush, I'm gonna take my bronzer by Bobbi Brown in number 4 and I'm gonna bronze my face. So everywhere I put the contour color, I'm gonna put the bronzer at. And then I did go off camera and put my lashes on and put my hair down so I can be a little bit ready because I'm almost finished. I'm gonna take a blush by MAC called Raisin, I think that's the color, and I'm just gonna take a blush brush and put it on like the apples of my cheek and then bring it kind of back into my contour. And then going back in with those blue colors I used in my crease, I'm gonna use all 3 of them at the bottom of my lash line to kind of complete the look so it won't just look so naked. Dipping back into the Perception palette, I'm going to take the color Unbothered and pop it right in the inner corners. Then I'm going to take my NYX lip liner in Toast and I'm going to outline my lips. And then I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Pretty Thing. Just put that on my lips like so. And this is the completed look. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.